Hi, Joanna. So today we're going to work on goal one, which is language, arts, and reading. And we're going to do objective number two, which is by the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts and an adverb, Joanna will use verbally and written form of the following adverbs. So you have a list of the adverbs, tomorrow, busily, and today, to appropriately complete a sentence at 70% accuracy. So, do you remember these worksheets? These are just examples of adverbs, so you can keep in handy. You can always refer back to them to see if a certain word is an adverb, and you have the same thing here. This will be the worksheet you will be working on today, and it's going to be fill in the blank with adverbs. But first, I'm going to show you a little video about adverbs.
We are the adverbs. We modify everything that's not a noun. We can describe or modify any verb or adjective around. We are adverbs. We typically describe a verb. We explain how, when, or where something happened, you will learn. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs by describing an action before or after these types of words. Here's how an adverb modifies an action word. Let's look at some examples of how we add to a verb. When I say Matthew ran quickly, quickly is the adverb. It further describes the action ran. We just modified the word. When the red-eyed tree frog croaks loudly, loudly is the adverb describing how the frog croaked to see. If you hear Black Panthers live everywhere, everywhere's the adverb describing where the Black Panthers live. Live being the modified verb. The gorilla will climb now being the adverb describing when the gorilla climbs. Climb is the modified verb. Here's a list of how adverbs you can remember and learn. Try them with any action word when you go into some verbs. Briskly, adoringly, carefully, gracefully, eagerly, happily, quickly, and urgently. Now here's some when adverbs. It's just a few I'm sure you've heard. They're a lot of fun to say when properly learned. Before daily, never now, then tomorrow, when today. Weekly, afterwards, annually, still yesterday. Let's move on to where adverbs. Please learn them at your own pace. They describe where the action word may have taken place. Abroad, anywhere, away, here and somewhere outside. There, underground, upstairs, home, out, inside. Adverbs are a lot of fun when they describe an action word. After this, we'll learn how adverbs modify adjectives you've heard. We are the adverbs. We modify everything that's not a noun. We can describe or modify any verb or adjective around. We are adverbs. We typically describe a verb. We explain how, when, or where something happened, you will learn. Adverbs also have the talent to modify an adjective. Here are a few examples in this lesson I will give. This elephant's ears are very big. Very is the adverb describing the ear's intensity of big. The adjective you heard, that's an unusually tall tree. The adverb's unusually intensifying tall. The adjective that's described, you see. Let's look at adverbs that modify other adverbs, which is called an intensifier. Here are some words. Almost daily I am animating. Almost tells how daily. Both almost and daily are adverbs. Now you see, my brother runs very fast. Very tells how fast he runs. Adverb modifying adverbs. This lesson's done. We are the adverbs. We modify everything that's not a noun. We can describe or modify any verb or adjective around. We are adverbs. We typically describe a verb. We explain how, when, or where something happened, you will learn.
So I hope that video helped you to identify adverbs. So let's go on to goal number two. Goal number two is also English, language, arts, and reading. And it's also by the end of 18, objective number two, by the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Joanna will read and listen to a sentence describing irregular action verbs and change the sentence in written form to state a verb's past tense at a 70% accuracy. So we're going to be putting these, it says rewrite the verb in the correct column. So these are all verbs, and we're going to put them in the past, present, or future.
The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I walked my dog, I am walking my dog. I will walk my dog to the shops. I jumped so high, I am jumping so high. I will jump so high on the trampoline. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I ate my lunch, I am eating my lunch. I will eat my lunch in the dinner hall. I wore my coat, I am wearing my coat. I will wear my coat because it's freezing. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I played the drums, I am playing the drums. I will play the drums because I love being noisy. I read my book, I am reading my book. I will read my book in the library.
So I hope you liked the little video of the examples. Go ahead and work in this worksheet now, and once you're finished, please upload it to Teams. If you have any questions, Joanna, call me or send me a text and I'll be happy to answer. Let's get started. I'm sorry, this is not the sheet. This is the worksheet you're going to do, but at the adverbs. This will be the one that you're going to do for the past, present, and future from the last video that you saw. So, okay, let's get started.